Did you know that people who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them? Now imagine adding visuals, emotions, and daily reminders. That's the power of a vision board. If you've ever tried creating a vision board but found it didn't work, or if you've always wondered how to turn one into a tool that drives real change, then this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you through every step of building a vision board that actually transforms your dreams into results. First, let's dive into the psychology behind why vision boards are more than just arts and crafts. Visualization activates your brain's powerful reticular activating system, which helps filter out distractions, so you can focus on what truly matters. When you see your goals every day, you're keeping them in your mind, reminding yourself to take action, and aligning your thoughts and actions toward achieving them. It's not magic, it's science-backed, powerful reinforcement. Let's get clear on your goals, because clarity is the first key to creating a vision board that works. Take a moment to write down the specific goals you want on your vision board. Instead of a broad wish like be successful, set something detailed, like achieve a senior management role in marketing within the next 2 years, or launch my own digital business by next summer. Be precise. The more specific your goals, the more actionable they become. Think of your goals in different areas like career, relationships, personal growth, health, and financial well-being. Once you've defined your goals, let's find images, words, and symbols that speak to each one. Each visual should represent a specific element of your goal, so it's not just random photos. For example, if one of your goals is to improve your health, include images of nutritious meals, a fitness tracker, or inspiring quotes about health. Choose images that evoke the emotions you want to feel once you achieve your goals. Emotions are critical here because they anchor your goals in something meaningful, making them feel more real and personal. As you gather images and phrases, make it intentional. Avoid overly generic photos like luxury cars or mansions unless they directly represent a personal goal. A vision board should be filled with visuals that have purpose and meaning for you. Try to capture the essence of your goals, focusing on what achieving them will feel like, rather than simply the end result. Find quotes, affirmations, or keywords that represent the energy you want to bring into your life. Now let's talk layout. Start by arranging your vision board so that your most meaningful goals are front and center, where they can capture your attention first. Think of it like mapping out your priorities. It's your life's vision after all. Center your main life goals, then surround them with other visuals that support these main themes. If you're creating multiple boards for different areas of your life, you can still place them where you'll engage with them daily. The layout is about making sure that each image is visible and nothing gets lost in clutter. Where you place your vision board matters. Don't just stash it away, place it where you'll see it daily, ideally morning and night. This consistent visibility is what turns your vision board from a fun project into a tool for real change. You can hang it on your wall, use a digital version as your phone or desktop background, or even place a mini version in your planner. The goal is to make it a regular part of your environment so your goals stay fresh in your mind. Next comes the most important part, daily engagement. This isn't just about looking at your board, it's about actively connecting with it. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on each image, visualizing yourself living that reality, and, most importantly, feeling the emotions tied to achieving your goals. Feel the confidence, the joy, and the fulfillment that comes with success. This emotional connection is what keeps your mind and actions aligned with your vision, motivating you to make choices that move you closer to your dreams. But don't just stop there. A vision board is a living document that should evolve with you. As you grow, as your goals shift, update your board to reflect your current dreams and priorities. Maybe you've achieved some goals, celebrate that. Add new visuals that match your next milestones. It's this dynamic engagement that keeps your vision board relevant and energizing. If you're ready to take your goal setting to the next level, my digital planner can be a powerful addition to your vision board journey. Packed with tools for planning, tracking, and achieving goals, it's designed to turn your dreams from paper into reality. Use it to outline the steps you'll take to achieve each goal, record your progress, and celebrate your wins along the way. Combining the vision board with actionable steps in a planner creates a full-circle approach that keeps you motivated and accountable. I hope this guide empowers you to create a vision board that actually works. Remember, it's all about clarity, intention, and daily connection with your goals. If you enjoyed this, be sure to subscribe for more tips on goal setting, visualization, and personal growth. Don't forget to check out my planners and digital products below to start reaching your dreams today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This video explores how to create a powerful vision board that actually works. Learn the step-by-step approach to choosing images, setting goals, and using visualization techniques to bring your dreams to life. For those looking to supercharge their productivity, check out my digital planner, designed for setting, tracking, and achieving goals.